5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? 10th grade NCERT CBSE. So, linear equation in two variables problem. Now, whenever we have problems related to ages, it is always better to prepare a table taking different scenarios into consideration. What we have been asked to find out the ages. So, let us say they are x and y. So, let us say the present ages are x and y of for Jacob and his son. Let the present age of Jacob be x and the present age of Jacob's son be y respectively. So we have x and y. Now let's go to the first line of the problem. What it says? 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. We are talking about future. 5 years hence, that means after 5 years. After 5 years, what will be the age of Jacob? It will be x plus 5. What will be the age of Jacob's son? Y plus 5. So after 5 years, their ages will be x plus 5 and y plus 5 respectively. But what will be the relation at that time? Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. That means x plus 5 equals to 3 into y plus 5. This is our first equation. Now let's go to the next line of the problem. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. If present age is x, 5 years ago it will be x minus 5. And similarly for the son it will be y minus 5. But what was the relation at that time? Jacob was 7 times that of his son. That means x minus 5 equals to 7 into y minus 5. Now these are the two equations we have to simplify. We will get two linear equations in two variables. Then we can solve them by either elimination method or substitution method. In this video, we'll see both the methods. Let us simplify the first one. X plus 5 equals to 3 into y plus 5. That means x plus y 5 is 3y plus 15, or can I write down x minus 3y equals to 10. In the next equation, we'll have x minus 5 equals to 7y minus 35. That will give us x minus 7y equals to minus 30. Now we know that x minus 3y is 10 and x minus 7y equals to minus 30. We'll solve first by substitution method. In substitution method, we will take one variable and substitute, write it in terms of the other variable, then we'll go to the other equation and do the substitution. So let us try to take the equation x minus 3y equals to 10. From that we can write down x equals to 3y plus 10. Now this x value in terms of y we are going to substitute in the second equation, that is x minus 7y is minus 30. But what is x according to us? 3y plus 10. So 3y plus 10 minus 7y equals to minus 30. Simplify that, you will get minus 4y equals to minus 40. And minus minus will cancel, divide by 4, you get y equals to 10. If y equals to 10, then x is nothing but 3ay plus 10. 3 into 10 plus 10, that is 30 plus 10, 40 years. So Jacob's present age is 40 years and his son present age is 10 years. If you want to verify that, you can check it in the equations whatever we have formed and see whether 10 comma 40 satisfies them or not. Now let's go to the next method, that is elimination method. In the elimination method, we will write the variables write the equations one below the other, and we'll decide which variable we want to eliminate. We'll make sure that variable is having the same quotient so that we can subtract or add as needed. Now here in this case, x minus 7y is minus 30, x minus 3y is 10. The easiest way to solve this is subtract so that x will cancel out. We get minus 4y equals to minus 40 or y equals to 10. Once we got y equals to 10 years, that means Jacob's son present age is 10 years. Jacob's age is nothing but equal to 3 into y plus 10, that is 3 into 10 plus 10, 40 years. So the present ages of Jacob and his son are Jacob and his son are 40 years and 10 years respectively.